What's the meaning of body warmer? Body warmer. Body warmer.
Body warmer. Body warmer. The term body warmer refers to a type of clothing item designed to keep the wearer's body warm in cold weather. These garments are typically made from insulating materials such as down, synthetic fibers, or fleece, and may come in the form of vests, jackets, or even full body suits. Body warmers work by trapping body heat close to the skin, thereby helping to maintain a comfortable body temperature even in frigid conditions. They are popular among outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and anyone else who spends time in chilly environments. Overall, body warmers are a useful tool for staying warm and comfortable during cold weather activities.